Good morning everyone. Welcome to AID concept video and myself CH Nigil. I am from CSIT branch and my roll number is 32. Today I am going to discuss about construction and working of LED. First, introduction of LED. LED is an acronym for light emitting diode. A light emitting diode LED is a two LED semiconductor light source. It is a PN junction diode which emits light when activated by a suitable voltage is applied to the leads. Construction of LED. The LED consists of a chip of semiconductor material doped with impurities to create a PN junction. The chips are mounted in reflecting tray order to increase the light output. The contacts are made on the cathode side by the means of conductive adhesive on the anode side via gold wire to the LED frame. The plastic case encloses the chip area of the LED frame. And here is the construction of LED, how the LED is constructed and which parts are used and how the anode and cathode are used, and n-type conductors. What is meant by n-type semiconductor? This type of semiconductor is obtained when a pentavalent material like arsenic is added to pure silicon crystal. Each arsenic atom forms covalent bonds with surrounding 4 germanium atoms with the help of 4 of its 5 electrons. The fifth electron is superfluous and loosely bound to the arsenic atom. And p-type. This type of semiconductor is obtained when a trivalent material like boron is added to a pure silicon crystal. These 3 valency electrons of boron atom form covalent bonds with 4 surrounding silicon atoms, but one bond is left incomplete and gives rise to a hole. Thus boron, which is called an acceptor impurity, causes as many positive holes in a silicon crystal as there are boron atoms, thereby producing a p-type. And working of LED. When the negative end of a circuit is hooked up to the n-type layer and the positive end is hooked up with p-type layer, then electron and holes start moving. If you try to run current the other way with the p-type side connected and the n-type side connected to the positive end, current will not flow. No current flows across the junction because the holes and the electrons are each moving in the wrong direction. LED how it works. When current flows across a diode, negative electrons move one way and positive holes move the other way. The holes exist at a lower energy level than the free of electrons. Therefore, when a free electron falls, it loses energy. This energy is emitted in a form of photon which causes light. The color of the light is determined by the fall of the electron and hence energy level of the photon. Applications of LED. LED uses falls into 3 main categories: indicators and signals, lighting, data communication, and other signaling. Indicators and signals. The low energy consumption, low maintenance, and small size of LEDs has LED uses as status indicators and displays on a variety of equipment and installations. They are used as stadium, airports, and railway stations, trains, buses, trams and ferries, etc. Lighting. LEDs are now used commonly in all market areas from commercial to home use. Standard lighting, state theoretical, architectural and public installations and wherever artificial light is used. Advantages and disadvantages of LED. Advantages. Efficiency. LED emit more lumens per watt than incandescent light bulbs. The efficiency of LED lighting fixtures is not affected by shape and size, unlike fluorescent light bulbs or tubes. Color. LEDs can emit light of intended color without using any color filters as a traditional lighting methods need. Easily available many colors. Size. LEDs can be very small, smaller than 2 mm. Advantages. On off time, LEDs light up very quickly. A typical red indicator light will achieve full brightness in under microsecond. Cycling. LEDs are ideal for users subject to frequent on-off cycling. Unlike incandescent and fluorescent lamps that fail faster when high-intensity discharge lamps that are require a long time before restarting. Lifetime LEDs can have a relatively long useful life. One report estimates 35,000 to 50,000 hours of useful life. Two time to complete failure may be longer. Focus. The solid package of the LED can be designed to focus the light. Incandescent and fluorescent sources often require an external reflector to collect light and direct it in a usable manner. Disadvantages: high initial price. LEDs are currently more expensive prices per lumen. In 2012, the cost per 1000 lumens was about $6. The price was expected to reach in 2013. Light quality. Most cool white LEDs have spectra that differ significantly from a black body radiator like the sun or the incident light. Temperature dependence. Driving of LED hard is high ambient temperature may result to overheating of the LED package, eventually leading to device failure. Voltage sensitivity and non-preparation. Thank you.